Hey guys, what's up? And it's time to do a speed test comparison between Samsung Galaxy A10s versus a Vivo Y11. Vivo Y11 comes with a Snapdragon 439 chipset with a 3 gigs of RAM, while the Samsung Galaxy A10s comes with a MediaTek Helio P22 chipset with a 2 gigs of RAM. So let's get right into it. So starting off by booting both phones up at the same time, here we go. And let's see who is going to be the fastest one when it comes to booting up. And both phones is running on Android 9 Pie with One UI on the Samsung Galaxy A10s. And you can see that was about the same on both phones, no difference there in the booting up speed. And both phones comes with a 720p IPS LCD display with a water drop notch. So let's see the app's opening speed. So everything is closed up in the background like always. And the first application we have is the phone dialer, and that is a little bit faster on the Vivo Y11, followed by the Samsung Galaxy A10s settings. That is again same result. It was a little bit quicker on the Vivo Y11 mic lock, and again seems like faster on the Vivo Y11. Same with the calendar application. Opening some more application like My Files, and that was about the same on both phones, no difference there. So launching some games applications. So first we got is the Candy Crush Saga. Vivo Y11 is done, and Samsung Galaxy A10s now it is also done. About half a second difference there. So next up is the Subway Surfer. That is again a little bit faster on the Vivo Y11, followed by the Samsung Galaxy A10s. Little bit difference there. So last game application like always, the Temper Run 2, and again seems like Vivo Y11 is little bit faster there, followed by A10s in my opinion. Yes, it is little bit faster on the Vivo Y11, and you can see. And Samsung Galaxy A10s now it is also done about 1 or 2 second difference there. So last opening up the application that is called as the cameras, and that is little bit faster on the A10s, followed by the Vivo Y11. So let's see the internet browsing speed. I am using Vivo internet browser on the Vivo Y11 versus a Google Chrome on the A10s. So first website is the wikipedia.org, and that is, and you can see that was about the same on both phones, no difference there. Maybe A10s is a little bit faster with the loading speed, but the scrolling and zooming in out is very smooth on both phones. So next website is the apple.com on both phones, and that is a little bit faster on the Vivo Y11, followed by the Samsung Galaxy A10s, and scrolling is very laggy on the Samsung Galaxy A10s, not smooth on the A10s, but the Vivo Y11 it is very smooth than the A10s. So let's see the RAM measurement on both phones. 2GB RAM versus a 3GB RAM, and that got refresh on both phones. Let's see the settings. That is again refresh on both phones. My clock, again refresh. Calendar, and that is refresh on the A10s but not on the Vivo Y11. Same thing with the My Files application. Candy Crush Saga, again refresh. Temper Run 2, that got refresh again on the Samsung Galaxy A10s. Last we are back to the internet browser, and you can see also refresh on the A10s. So overall I have to say that the app's opening speed is faster on the Vivo Y11 in game apps or in time, but the system based application speed it is about the same on both phones. RAM measurement is much better on the Vivo Y11, but overall very bad RAM measurement on both phones. Almost all application is refresh on the A10s. I hope the RAM HML will improve with some software updates. So thank you so much for watching this speed test comparison between Vivo Y11 versus a Samsung Galaxy A10s, and I will see you guys in my next video. Peace out.